In Unreal Engine's level editor, mastering navigation is essential for efficiently moving around and working on your scene. Whether you're adjusting objects, exploring environments, or setting up gameplay elements, knowing how to navigate smoothly will save you a lot of time. The viewport is where you visually interact with your level. You can move within the scene using these controls. Hold right mouse button and move your mouse to look around. To move, hold right mouse button and use W, A, S, and D key to move around. With Q and E, you can move your camera up and down. Scroll forward to zoom in, backward to zoom out. If the camera feels too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed. Look at the top right corner of the viewport for the camera speed slider. You can also change camera speed if you hold right mouse button and use your scroll wheel. With left mouse button, you can select the object in your scene. If you look at the top here, you can see we have some tools for object movement. First tool is Move tool, which allows you to drag an object in different directions. Shortcut for it is W. Second is Rotate tool, and shortcut for it is E. And last is Scale. Shortcut for it is R. Here we have snapping options for moving, rotating, and scale. So if I select to move my object and set my snapping value for moving to be 100. And if I move my object, it will move in increments of 100 Unreal units. I can disable snapping by clicking on this highlighted grid icon. Now if I move my object, I have a lot more control over it. Snapping works the same for rotation and scale. You can also change view modes. You can show unlit scene, wireframe. By default, you'll be in perspective view, which lets you navigate freely. However, if you need precise placements, you can switch to orthographic views. For example, you can choose a top view. If you get lost in your scene, you can select the object from the outliner and click F to focus on it. You can also double-click on object name in the outliner to focus on it. And you can hold Alt and left mouse button to rotate around selected object.